Good day, team. So today I'm going to show you real quick how to do some slight property searches, um, as well as some other things on the New York State MLS. So there are a lot of different tools up here, as you can see. You can save some things. You can actually view listings that you paste up here. You can view messages. You can view company listings. So we can see what's within our company. So let's do this. Let's look up a company listed property. So this is everything that's inside of our company, prepared for sale or lease. Whether it be expired, off the market. As you can see here, some are sold. There's a few different things. Okay, so it looks like Rowan, Kimberly, and Frank are rocking and rolling together, which is good. Let's take a look at. Okay, there's something up on the screen. Let's take a look at this current active sale from Juan for a multi-family unit for $1.4 million. Okay. So as you'll see here, gives you the overview. He has his photo. Decent photos. Then you have the information. So you have the status that it's active for sale. You may see here withdrawn. You may see here sold. You may see here expired. Currently active for sale means he currently has the contract and is able to accept reasonable offers for this property. Now, if you were to see expired, that means that the length of contract that he had with this client has now expired and the house didn't sell. You may see withdrawn, meaning that it's been taken off the market by he or the client for a multitude of reasons. Or you'll see sold, which means that the property sold. You'll always see the listing ID, which is the MLS number. You'll see the type of property it is, which is a multifamily 2 to 4 unit. It'll tell you the county and the listing price, tell you the total of bedrooms, how many baths, the lot size, the year built. Okay. They will always have a description here. Okay. And as you'll see here, this property is being sold as is, cash only. And only serious buyers get a showing. So, team, what we're going to do is we're going to use this property to show to Miriam. Now, no, it's not exactly in her specific area, but it is in Brooklyn. She was very vague, so what I would like is for one of you to get in contact with Mr. Giles, and then I'll give you the information to ask him in regards to his property. So some information that we're going to need to get from Miriam. Number one is, as you heard in the recording, I need her to be able to show proof of funds, etc. So when I call her today, I'm going to say I have a property, it's at this price, it's accepting all reasonable offers, as is cash 10-day close. However, we're going to need for you to show proof of funds because this gentleman, Mr. Giles, is not going to let you see the property unless he has some kind of actual guarantee that you're a serious buyer. He does not want his time or his client's time wasted with looking at this. Okay? So another way that you can look up properties is to go to a website called Acres. Okay. Now, Acres is where you're going to look up property records. A lot of this is something that you'll use with investments. So, I just wanted to give you guys a small tidbit of some of the things that we can do with our New York State MLS. There are a lot of tools here that we can use, and if you don't know how to use them, then the system can be very frustrating. So with that said, I'm going to leave you guys this video, and then I'm going to assign these tasks to the rest of you so that we can get this particular deal done. Alrighty, study up.